After countless experiments using golden fluid and golden high flow, I've decided to share this experiment with you today. Now, if you follow me on Facebook and Instagram, you might have seen my recent posts. Now, those are the results that I've gotten up till now. If you're interested and you don't follow me, the links are in the description below. Now, I will be doing a puddle pour, meaning I'll be pouring puddles like I usually do, but I will not be moving around the canvas with my hands. Instead, I'm going to be using my hair blow dryer on low. And yes, this is my hair dryer that I use for my hair. Now, the products that I'll be using are Liquitex Pouring Medium, Airbrush Medium from Golden here, and some 70% rubbing alcohol. Now, this is the only one that I had at home. Maybe if you tried 99% or 90%, it would react differently. Now, the paintings that I've posted before, I did not use the alcohol. I sprayed some diluted dish soap to get those effects. But I have a painting over there. I might show it to you guys later. I tried this for the first time today in my mix, and I really liked the results. Now, if you're like me and you don't like to add weird stuff to your paint, just keep in mind that alcohol evaporates and it doesn't leave any residue. So it's less creepy, I find, than the other products that I've heard people add. Now, for the canvas, I've experienced some serious, never seen before pooling with these paints. And I found that my best results were from paintings that I had washed off. So what I did with this one, now you can't see it's under the paper there, but it's brand new, and I just passed it under the water in the sink. I let it dry, and then I passed it under again, and I let it dry. So twice underwater, and it's way more sturdy than it was before. So I'm going to be preparing these paints in front of the camera, and I know you guys like ratios, but I don't measure. So I'm just going to spit out some ratios here to you guys, and you can write it down, or you can just like eyeball it like I do. So what I do is I use about 50% of Liquitex Pouring Medium, about 30% paint. Now I add more of the pouring medium into the Golden High Flow because it's like water, and it's mostly to thicken it up. And then I use about 10 to 15% of the airbrush medium and 5 to 10% of the alcohol. So let me just set myself up here, and I am going for this. this is about an hour later. Now, I might have left for a little too long and the paint kind of moved a bit towards this side. But I didn't experience much pooling there. So you can see that wetting the canvas is really important. Now, first off, I think like what I've learned here, the green, I didn't put enough paint into my mix of green, so it was kind of like transparent there. And maybe you've noticed I only put alcohol in 2 of my colors, in the white and the yellow. Because last time I put alcohol in 3 of my colors and it continued changing forever. There is a little bit of lacing down there. And a little bit over here. Kind of bloomed on this side here. Overall look, it's looking kind of cool. I need to experiment putting alcohol in different colors. Now I want to show you guys the other one that I did, because like this one is awesome. I should have filmed it, but I didn't. Now I did exactly the same thing, except I used a darker color there. And this, I know it looks wet, but it's not. It's 100% dry. Like, look at this. And you see how the colors are like out there? They dried exactly the same. So it's going to give you an idea that this painting is going to dry really exactly like this. That's what's fun about using better quality paints. And the amount of pouring medium used, I don't know if you're going to see it. Yeah, there you go. You see that shine there? I didn't put anything on the painting. It's the pouring medium that makes it dry that way. So ratios are important and I'm still working on it. I wanted to share this experiment with you guys. I have to admit I'm preferring that one over there, but this one is still cool. And I bought myself some black, so I'll be experimenting with black and negative space. So if you guys like this, stay tuned. More to come. Bye guys.